Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Engineer's Mind. I am Sankar. Welcome all of you on my channel. So in last video, we have taken the introduction part of my channel. So today we are dealing with our first subject, known as engineering mechanics. Or what is the introduction of that subject? What we have to study in that subject? The basic or the function of that subject we are dealing with today. Okay. What is engineering mechanics? Yes, everyone says that. As per I have seen the comments of the student or the those are said that this subject is very difficult or this subject is hard to prepare. So I think this subject is not harder to prepare, but if you understand the concept in that subject, it is very easy and scoring subject. As we see that this subject is very basic and known as a foundation of civil engineering. Yes, because the next subject in our syllabus known as strength of material, or for polytechnic it is the mechanics of structure, theory of structure, structural design, RCC, steel, or for in some cases for bachelor student that is pre-stressed concrete. So these are the main subject of design. That subject is based on the engineering mechanics or the equations of engineering mechanics or the concept of engineering mechanics. So we have needed that subject throughout our courses, or in design or analysis of any structure we needed that courses. So what is it? So let us see what is mechanics. Yes, it is a branch of physics which study the effect of forces. Yes, in the mechanics we have studied the effect of forces on rigid body. Yes, I have highlighted it in red ink. That is rigid body. Yes, there are three types of bodies. First is rigid, plastic, and elastic. For rigid body, if we apply forces, the body doesn't change its shape, size, remain its original position. So that body we are dealing with mechanics. For elastic body, if we apply the forces, it changes its size and shape, but as we remove the forces, it regains its original position. For plastic body, the same concept. Application of forces changes the size and shape, but it doesn't regain its original condition as we remove the forces or load. So the mechanics deal with the two parts. That are the main two parts. First is static or in dynamics. So static it comes with the word state, means at rest condition, and dynamics is come with the word dynamo, means in motion or in speed. So there are two main things in mechanics. First is statics and second is dynamics. So dynamics is again divided in two parts. Yes, in motion it is kinetics and kinematics. These are dealing with the forces and mass. So if you are in motion, the forces and mass are the very important for dealing with that body. So if we consider the forces and mass which cause the motion, dealing in kinetics. If it doesn't consider the forces and mass which cause the motion, dealing with kinematics. So the kinetics and kinematics is the part of dynamics. Yes, this is in motion. So this is just the introduction part of what is engineering mechanics, where we need that subject. So in next lecture we will deal with the forces or the system of forces, resolution of forces, force system. There are different types of concept in each forces and each system, so we'll deal with that in next lecture. It is the important part of forces because resolution of forces is very much important. The system of forces or the effect of forces in each lamina, this concept is very much basics and important for each and every design purpose. So we are dealing in next lecture the force and force system. So today is just the introduction part of that subject, what we have to do. As we proceed in subject, I'll tell the importance of each and every part of that subject, which will come in picture. So thank you. This is just introduction.